the fast-paced, ever-changing world of healthcare, efficiency is key. And that's why medical practitioners are turning to GoodX software, the best and most complete medical practice management software currently on the market. GoodX software is revolutionizing the way you run your medical practice. Let's take a look at just a few of the amazing features that set it apart from the rest. First up, say goodbye to scheduling headaches. With GoodX, managing appointments is a breeze. With an amazing user-friendly interface, you can schedule appointments seamlessly, ensuring your practice runs like a well-oiled machine. Our innovative MyGC app allows the practitioner to send any necessary documents or consent forms to be emailed ahead of time to the patient to be filled in and sent back. This is a great time saver, which enables a better workflow and a more pleasant overall patient experience. When it comes to examination forms, GoodX adapts to you, not the other way around. We know that each practice is unique with its own unique needs, and that is why you can select between your own previously set up, fully customizable examination forms. Completing clinical forms have never been this easy. Record clinical images into a safe and secure database, reducing the chance of breaking patient confidentiality and reducing technical clutter on your device with our innovative Capture app. Need to make notes? We have got you covered. You can effortlessly create and transcribe your notes if and when needed, even voice recordings. You are also able to ask the questions that matter to you most with our custom form capabilities, which can be tailored to suit the needs of your practice. It's easy to see just why most medical professionals prefer and trust GoodX software. How about reducing admin headaches? Now you can by using our innovative PDF printover feature, as this automatically completes forms with the patient's data. Let's not forget that GoodX also has the ability to create electronic prescriptions that you can fax and securely send, as well as print and email. All this with just a few clicks of a button. Want the ability to do consultations online? No problem. With our telemed feature, you can consult from anywhere in the world. Now that is true innovation. To top it all off, billing is a breeze. You can bill directly from the GoodX platform, a true, complete medical practice management solution at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and join thousands of medical practitioners by taking your medical practice into the future. GoodX software, the best all-in-one practice management solution there is.